Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video we're gonna do a 10-pound Poundland challenge. So basically I gave myself a 10-pound budget to buy a bunch of things and give my room a little makeover, and I've been wanting to do a gallery wall for ages, and I feel like now it's finally the right time. It was really hard to achieve because, you know, £10 is not that much. Although in Poundland everything is £1, but your girl has literally an obsession with Poundland. It's crazy, don't even ask. But I feel like I did a really good job, so I'm gonna show you guys the end results and also the different bits that I bought. So starting off with these two frames, oh my god, I'm obsessed with this. So the frames were both £1 each, and then as for these little graphic inside, they came in a pack of 4. So you had like 4 graphic cover art type thing, and I really love this one. So this one said the best is yet to come, and then this one is just like a leaf, and I think it looks so good. Then I got these two ones, which, not gonna lie, it was kind of like a struggle as for what to put inside, because I had like an idea on what to put inside, but then the cover art I already had in my home was not able to fit in this since it was too big and I did not want to cut it. At the end of the day, I feel like I make it work. So this is like pretty much something that I found on a magazine. And then as for these are just like some leaves that comes with the same package as before, and I also added and a little butterfly, which is kind of like 3-dimensional, as you can tell. Then moving on, I have some big frames. So this is one of them. I think it looks so cute. So it's a white frame with some flowers on it, which is totally my branding, you guys know that. Then next up I have this one right here, which I will probably hang this way. It said XOXO, which again, lovely. Also, it kind of reminds me of Gossip Girl, and you can't go wrong with Gigi because Gigi was literally everything. And then the next one is one that is definitely different for me, but I really like it, and it's this one right here. So it has like a pineapple. I think it looks really cool. So yeah, it's definitely time to hang this bad boys up. So there you have it. This is going to be my background for now on, and honestly I'm really obsessed with it. I love how it looks on camera, and I really hope you guys love it too. Of course, if you guys love this video, be sure to give me a big thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. I would love to have you around, and also tell me in the comments below what do you think. Other than that, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.